The birthday you didn't see coming. I'll tell you, this one starts like most ordinary days, creeping up on you soft, no fanfare, no big alarm clock jolt, just the sunlight blinking against your eyelids and you thinking, is it Tuesday or Thursday? That's exactly how Quinn woke up. Ordinary as a plain bagel, plain cream cheese. No locks, just simplicity, pure simplicity. Not since college, not since old friends tried to organize that surprise party in the dorm lounge and spilled punch all over the floor, and definitely not since everyone forgot anyway. Again, 2 years in a row. So they made a pact. No expectations, no hype, no cake. Just a day like all the others, and a strong cup of coffee at 11 a.m. exactly. Quinn actually liked it that way, calm, quiet, no noise. But what nobody knew, what Quinn never told anyone, was every time that date rolled around on the calendar, there was this tiny moment, a tiny flicker, where Quinn's heartbeat did this weird little stutter, like maybe somewhere deep down they wanted something magical, even if they pretended they didn't. You know that feeling, right? When you say it's fine, but part of you is listening half-heartedly, just in case. Just like every other, Quinn drove to work, parked, walked past the same coffee shop, same barista, same order, tall black coffee with a splash of oat. And no, please don't write your name crooked on the cup again. They sat at their desk, logged in, checked emails, all totally normal. 2:45, their phone buzzed ding ding. Not a calendar reminder, no. It was a message thread titled, Family Group Chat, and the screen lit up like fireworks. Happy birthday, Quinn. Birthday hugs. Cake pics coming soon. And Quinn froze just for a second, like the universe tapped him on the shoulder and said, hey, this one counts. Quinn leaned back, breathed in, and for the first time in, I don't know, almost forever, they smiled. Not because they needed a party or gifts or attention, but because someone remembered, asterisk, without expectation, without pressure, without anything grand, just remembered, which suddenly felt enormous. Like birthdays aren't about birthday noise, but about being seen, even when you don't make a fuss, and maybe, just maybe, that's the real celebration. Outro close. So if you're the kind of person who treats a birthday like a normal day, that's okay, really. Life doesn't need fireworks to be meaningful. Sometimes a quiet smile, that's the biggest spark of all.